Flamingo Books. Enjoy with Mathematics. Chapter 7. Algebraic Expressions.
What is algebraic expressions? An algebraic expression is a mathematical phrase that can contain numbers, letters, variables, and operators. An algebraic expression is a combination of constants like 2, 3.5, minus 7, variables like x, y, z, mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Types of algebraic expressions. Monomial, only one term. Example, 7x minus 3, 5xy power 2. Binomial, two terms. Example, x plus 2, 3a minus 4b. Trinomial, three terms. Example, x power 2 plus 2x plus 1. Polynomial, one or more terms. Example, x power 3 plus 2x power 2, x plus 5. Exponential form of algebraic quantities. We have learnt in arithmetic that when a number is multiplied by itself a certain number of times, it can be expressed in exponential form. For example, 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 can be written as 3 power 4. 6 multiply 6 multiply 6 multiply 6 multiply 6 multiply 6 can be written as 6 power 6, and so on. Similarly, in algebra, if A is multiplied n times, that is, a multiply A, n number of times, we express it as a power n. X multiply x is equal to x power 2 and is read as x squared or x raised to the power 2. Here, x is the base and 2 is the exponent. X multiply x is equal to x power 3 and is read as x cubed or x raised to the power 3. Example, 5 a power to be power 3. 5 a power to be power 3 is equal to 5 multiply a multiply b multiply b multiply b. X power 5. X power 5 is equal to x multiply x multiply x multiply x multiply x. Example, volume of a cuboid is expressed as volume is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Express the volume of a cuboid algebraically if its length is 4 times the breadth and height is twice the breadth. Solution. Breadth of the cuboid is equal to b. Length of the cuboid is equal to 4b. Length is 4 times the breadth. Height of the cuboid is equal to 2b. Height is twice the breadth. Volume is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. 4b multiplied by b multiplied by 2b is equal to 8b power 3. Degree of the terms of an algebraic expression involving one variable. 5x power 3 plus 6x power 2 plus 1. It has 3 terms, namely 5x power 3, 6x power 2, and 1. The degree of 5x power 3 is equal to 3. Since exponent of x power 3 is equal to 3, the degree of 6x power 2 is equal to 2. Since exponent of x power 2 is equal to 2, So, the degree of 5x power 3 plus 6x power 2 plus 1 is 3. In the same way, the degree of 4x power 4 plus 3x power 3 plus 2x power 2 plus x plus 1 is 4. As the highest power of x, 4 plus 3x power 3 plus 2x power 2 plus x plus 1 is 4. The power index of the variable in 1 is 0. Since 1 can be written as 1x power 0, so the degree of 1 is 0. The highest power index of the variable in an algebraic expression is called degree of the algebraic expression. Degree of the terms of an algebraic expression involving two variables. 5 a power to b plus 3 a plus 5b power 2 plus 7. Clearly the above expression involves two variables, namely a and b. So it is an algebraic expression in two variables. Also it has four terms, namely 5 a power to b 3 up, 5b power 2 and 7. Sum of the powers, indices, of the variables in 5 a power to b is equal to 2 plus 1 equals 3. Therefore, the degree of 5 a power to b is 3. Sum of the powers, indices, of the variables in 3 up is 1 plus 1 equals 2. Therefore, the degree of 3 up is 2. Sum of the powers, indices, of variables in 5b power 2 is 0 plus 2 equals 2. Therefore, the degree of 5b power 2 is 2. Finally, degree of 7 is 0. The degree of 6x power to y plus 4xy plus 6y power 2 plus 7 is 3. In the same way, the degree of 5pq plus 5p plus 3 is 2.